In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a circular array using Blender's spin tool. This is an essential technique if you're looking to duplicate objects around a central point in a circular pattern, and it's handy for everything from creating radial designs to setting up intricate models. To begin, you'll want to have your object ready to go. Once you've chosen the object you want to array, the first step is to enter Edit mode. You can do this simply by pressing the Tab key. This mode is where you'll spend time manipulating the vertices, edges, and faces of your object. Next, it's crucial to position the 3D cursor precisely at the center of where you want your circle to form. To do this, press Shift and S to bring up the Snap menu and then choose Cursor to World Origin. Think of the 3D cursor as an anchor point. By placing it at the world origin, you're setting the perfect center for your circular arrangement. With the object in Edit mode, select all of its vertices. This ensures that every part of your object will be included in the spin. Now it's time to access the spin tool, which is the heart of this operation. You can press Alt and E and then choose spin from the menu, or for a quicker approach, just use the shortcut Alt, E, and S. The spin tool will allow you to duplicate your object around the central point we've just set with the cursor. To refine your circular array, focus on the operator panel located at the bottom left of your viewport. Here you'll find the Steps option. Adjusting the steps will let you control how many times your object is duplicated around the circle. The higher the number of steps, the more duplicates you'll have, and thus a smoother circle if that's what you're aiming for. Lastly, there's an essential step to finalize your array without distortion. Make sure to enable the Use Duplicates button. This option ensures that each duplication becomes a separate mesh rather than resulting in a deformed object. It's a small step but makes a big difference in maintaining the integrity of your design. And there you have it, a complete circular array of objects created using Blender's spin tool. By following these steps, you can efficiently craft a precise circular pattern, useful for a wide variety of applications in your modeling projects. Practice this technique and you'll find it a powerful addition to your 3D design toolkit. Thanks for watching, and happy modeling.